Hey you, what's good? Today with another video, unedited, pure, just my opinion of course, not a financial advice here. Ethereum and Bitcoin, and exactly in that order. Gary Gensler, SEC, scare tactics, all over again, they're frightening you. Get out! Get out now! Okay, I totally get it. The scare tactics, the uncertainty, the unclarity, is a delay tactic. Let's get all banks set up for Ethereum ETF. Let's, be ready, because once they approve Ethereum ETF, the floodgates are open. Everyone with their Solana, XRP, Doge will run through the doors, run through the gate, knock on SEC's door. Hello, ETF? Maybe ETF? You want ETF? No? So they need to be ready. So that's why the clarity takes time, okay? Now, what I'm seeing here is that BlackRock is getting ready. Banks are getting ready. We need to consider that this scare tactic, even with the Grayscale, you remember now, just, a day ago or something, Grayscale withdrew their futures ETF for Ethereum, That was kind of the ammunition we needed in order to get ETF for Ethereum approved, because they said that once you consider futures contract, the foundation has been set. Why not approve the ETF now? I mean, so this is kind of a scare tactic I'm predicting here. Now, BlackRock, as I told you before Bitcoin's ETF, I told you that it will be approved on the last day of BlackRock's application, because BlackRock doesn't lose. I told you this in 2023 or even at the end of 2022. BlackRock doesn't lose. So you check the last possible acceptance date for BlackRock for their ETF for Ethereum. That is the date the Ethereum ETF will be approved. Easy. I know that it's May. One of those dates is May. Their first application. Was it for BlackRock or was it for Cathy Wood's foundation? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So let's say that the last date, as I read here, was for BlackRock on August. Now, remind ourselves. Then I have some cat hair flying around here. I'm sorry. Now, let's remind ourselves. We are at or on quantitative tightening situation here. Money is not flowing freely, okay? Money is tight, interest rates are high, quantitative tightening. Yes, that means no one is buying what is the word? Not certain assets. They don't want risk on. They want risk off, usually. Now, most people, since markets are forward-looking, most people have already buried the hopes for quantitative easing this year, which I'm sure that they are wrong, because, masses are always wrong. Masses are masses are wrong. Now, quantitative tightening ending at the same time where Ethereum's ETF is approved in August, that might be the perfect storm we need. Okay? Consider that. Now, hopes are on May, but I'm not betting on May. Since BlackRock's final date is in August, quantitative easing in the summer months. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the money flowing into crypto and risk-on assets? This will be the perfect storm. Now, once that happens, let's mind travel a lot, or mind travel for a second. If this is approved, this will be the final 5 months of, bull market and alt season. This is where alt season really picks off. And it usually is that when alts start, Bitcoin dominance starts falling, it's approximately 4 to 6 months when the bull market ends. Because till that time, usually Bitcoin takes the lead. Okay. Now, since 2022, I think the end of 2022, my bets have always been that Bitcoin dominance will reach around 60%. You know, it's not there at the moment. It's around 55, 56, 55, I think. So that gives us long-term bullish for the markets. Short to medium there, medium time frame bearish. Although we have weekly stochastic RSIs, almost printing crossovers to the upside, and we might have a nice juicy rally for 2 or 3 weeks since we bounce from 21 weekly average. You know, this might be cool. But overall, on monthly, our charts look hideous. On 2 monthly charts, we printed 7 days ago, we printed Tombstone Doji. Now, this is the bearish candle, the most bearish candle ever on any chart. That means on monthly time scale, we're fucked, okay? We're totally screwed. So we might have a nice juicy rally, which will be a dead cat bounce, because in the end of May, they are telling us that Ethereum, no ETF, you bury your hopes. Then we probably it will be a bloodbath. Bloodbath. It will be bloodbath. You remember this. Now, after that, after a few months consolidation, QE, Ethereum ETF in the August, and the floodgates are opened. This will be a fantastic time. So hold your horses, pet your unicorns, enjoy the summer, enjoy everything. Don't be, you know, this guy who now sells everything, you know, I buy back lower. When it drops down, I buy back lower. Come on, you will miss the train, I'm sure. Don't write a comment, you know, I rarely get comments anyways, but don't write a comment, oh, silly, I sold everything, you mentioned it was going to drop, it was going to be a bloodbath, okay, a bloodbath, it wasn't. Now, don't sell everything, don't sell maybe anything, do what you do, not a financial advice. I will keep everything open, in fact, I'm not doing anything, I will play disc golf, okay, I will scratch my nutsack, play disc golf, enjoy the weather because it's quite sunny outside. Yes, I know that I'm in the dark here, otherwise I'm too exposed. Yes, these are the times. So enjoy, okay? I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like, smash that bell, and if you dare, subscribe as well. I'm SillyLlamaz. Thanks for watching.